This is Scott Wilson, that software guy, with another screencast about Zen Cart, this time to show off the Extended Family module. Extended Family is a little module that allows you to build up product bundles so that you can offer multiple products on the same product info page in Zen Cart. And we'll take a look at how that works with a couple of examples. So let's get going. The admin is under Tools. And it'll look familiar to anyone who has seen Free Gift Chooser or Discount Chooser. It's just a series of selections. So we'll build a computer-related bundle first, and we'll start with the monitor product. And when we display the monitor product, we'll offer a couple of other related computer products. We'll offer a keyboard, and we'll offer a mouse, and we'll offer a printer. Okay, so you can see that we have these 4 products in the offer now. We'll go ahead and submit this. And then we'll go to the catalog and see what this all looks like. So here's the catalog side. And we'll go to the hardware category and look at monitors. Now there's only one monitor, so by selecting that category, the product info page is shown. So we see our computer monitor here, but underneath that, we also see a series of other products, the products that we added as the extended family. Now, these products all do not have attributes, so they can be added with a single checkbox check. So we'll go ahead and check each of these checkboxes, press the Add to Cart button, and what we'll see is not only is the monitor added, but these 3 items are added as well. So we'll do that, and sure enough, there they are, all 4 of them. So we'll try another example. We'll empty the cart quickly so we can get a fresh start. And we'll go back to monitors. And we'll try this time just checking the printer. So we're going to do an add to cart with the monitor and the printer. Do that. And there it is with the monitor and the printer. So we can check all or just some or only one of the checkboxes. And remember, these checkboxes are displayed when the product, the extended family products do not have attributes, so they can be added in one click. So if you think about the listing page, there are products that could be added from the listing page as well, rather than having to click more info and go down to the product info page. Now, some people want their offerings to be shown on the product info page with all the checkboxes pre-checked, and that's easy to do too. It's actually a very small code change that's documented in the instructions. I'll go ahead here and make the change. It's just changing one value from false to true. We'll go ahead and do that, and we'll get rid of this item. Actually, we'll get rid of both of these items, and we'll just quickly copy this link so we have an easy way to get back to the monitor. The cart is empty, so we'll go directly to the monitor here. And this time, notice that we've made that change, so look, all 3 checkboxes are in fact checked. So that's a different way. That's very easy to do in a code change. Now remember, we talked about products with no attributes. How does it look when a product with an attribute is offered in an extended family offer? Let's go ahead and take a look at an example of that. So we'll create a new offer, and we'll start with the action movies category, and we'll select Die Hard, and we'll say when Die Hard is shown, please also give an extended family offer for the screenplay as well. And that's a PDF document. So we'll go ahead and add that. Then go back over to our shopping cart and go to DVD movies. And we will see that Die Hard is right here. So we'll click on that. And here's Die Hard. And we also have the screenplay here. Oh, because I have added, there's a nice little mod that allows you to add PDFs as long as they only have one attribute. And I'd forgotten that I had installed it on this cart. So in this case, we do see a checkbox. If this screenplay had had more, if this item had had more attributes or other attributes, we would not be able to do that. So let's see. Why don't we quickly do an example of a product that truly does have more attributes that can't be added by a single click. So let's just go ahead and make that one inactive and then do it again with Die Hard. And this time we will display, if we look at the Action software, there's a product called Unreal Tournament Linked that has a set of attributes depending on whether you want a download or a disk-based file. So we'll do that one. And we'll go back over to Die Hard and refresh the page. And there we are. So we see we are offering Unreal Tournament Linked, which is a product with attributes. So we don't have a checkbox, but you can still add it by clicking on this link, following this link, going to the product info page, setting the appropriate attribute, doing an add to cart, and then you'd have to go back to Die Hard and add that separately. So it's more of a cross sell than a direct sell because the product requires you to do this extra data fill on that page, but it's another way to cross sell. So I hope that's been informative. It shows you a few options for building up bundles of product, and good luck in your Zen Cart based store. Thank you.